Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I can work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Cause I'm about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, man, da, 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 da. Drive me a dessert.
Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a bonnet on, and what does that mean? It means we are getting our hair done, period. Today's a Friday. I actually really like getting my hair done on a Friday. It makes a lot of sense, really, especially because I thought today I was going to have somewhere to go, but those plans got cancelled. But tomorrow I'm linking with my girls, so for the weekend it makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of sense, and you go into the new week feeling cute. I like it a lot. Anyway, today I am going to be getting, how do I put this? how do I put this? Okay, so today is officially, it feels like the first day of autumn. It's kind of nippy outside, but not too crazy. It's kind of cloudy, not raining. It feels like autumn, and I am definitely getting an autumn inspired look. The last time I got a red look and I loved it. It was so cute. It aids. Today I am doing kind of the last of my bust downs. I have been in a long hair mood for a very long time, but today I'm doing the last one because my bob season officially starts after here. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I did not tell you. So yeah, I am going to be getting a 22-inch highlighted body wave wig from Tinashe Hair. Shout out. I haven't worn Tinashe Hair in so long, and I'm so happy to be back. So yeah, I am going to be wearing their hair, and of course, true to my style, it is pre-colored. I love when companies pre-color their hair. I love when that's an option. It gives luxury. It gives I care about you. Do you know what I'm saying? I love it. I love it so much. Tinashe Hair came through. So this color is like the actual hair itself was like a beautiful dark brown, and then it's got a highlighted color to it, and it's basically kind of like highlighted streaks. And this is a 13x6 frontal wig. So yeah, obviously I will decide when I get on the chair and I talk to my hairstylist what would be better, a middle or a side part. So yeah, basically I will have all of those details. If you are looking for a highlight job on your hair but you don't want to do it, hit up Tinashe Hair. Go onto their site, check them out. I will have all the details that you need on the screen, but also in the description box. I will link the actual unit that I'm wearing, that I'm gonna wear, with the length, with the body, with the density, with the lace. I will link that exact wig, and then I'll also link the actual website so you can go check out all of their other pre-colored hair. And I know Tinashe does a lot of pre-colored options, so it's not just the highlight, babe girl. It's not just the highlight. Go and check their other colors, and go get yourself an autumn winter wig, babe. Go get yourself a pre-colored autumn winter wig. Obviously they've got natural black and 1B, but I'm just saying, because I'm a pre-colored fan, that they do great pre-coloring jobs on their units, and I will have all those details down below. So yeah, let me not be late for my hair appointment. I'm so excited for this appointment, guys. Let's go get me slayed. Guys, if I show you what's underneath this bonnet, wow. Let me go do my hair, please. Okay guys, so let's get started. We are going to be doing the ball cap method, and we are going to be going glueless. That basically means that I'm going to be using Got To Be on my lace, and I really do enjoy this because I am the type of person who really wants the versatility of having my wig on but also choosing to take it off and then put it back on and then take it off type of thing. So that's what we're going to do. Today she used a skin colored wig cap, and then we did go on and put some powder on there just so that it would blend a little bit easier, and then she cut it off. And yeah, I really do also enjoy the ball cap method because you don't see the cap through the lace, like on your part. And then we just placed the wig on. She did pre-curl my hair, so that's what's going to make this install lightning fast. And we cut off the excess lace, and look at that plucking job, girl. I did ask her how the lace plucked, and she did say that it was really easy. That's why it's just so even and so like perfect. I am obsessed. Like, I had to slow this down for you guys to see because wow, the lace, the fact that I have not cut the lace yet, that's the part for me. Tinashe does such a good job with their lace. So yeah, this is us cutting off the lace, and it is still not cut. It is still not glued down. Sorry, not cut. It's still not glued down, girl. Did you see that? Anyway, now we are going in with the got to be. We use the yellow got to be on all of my frontals, and we're basically going to put that on the perimeter of my head, and we're going to let it get tacky. And once it's tacky enough for us to stick the lace down, we are going to do that. And this is us deciding on the side part or the middle part. And as you guys saw in the thumbnail, I decided to go with the middle part. I just felt like it was going to be easier to maintain. I just also love a middle part. Like, oh my god, I love middle parts. So then we go ahead and we put some tinted powder onto the lace, and we just, you know, secure it down with a little more got to be before we put the elastic band around my head to melt the lace down. And this is her just making sure that my part is straight. And she did also decide to go ahead and pluck the parts just so that, you know, it's defined and it looks really good. And like I said, she did curl the hair before I even sat on the chair. So that is basically it. We did not spend time curling the hair. This is how it looked. And I will confirm that throughout the duration of me having this hair on, it held a curl so well. I did not have to recurl my hair. As long as I slipped with it correctly, tied down into heatless curls, it was perfect. No flyaways, no craziness. I will have the link, guys, for you in the description box, because I know that a lot of people are looking for just a highlighted vibe, a highlighted frontal, and that will be in the description box, guys. I feel like Tinashe Hair did an amazing job. I love this color. I love the color job. I love it all. It looks stunning, and I'll have those details for you in the description box. But for now, guys, I will see you in my next video.